Imagine for a moment that everything you know about photography is about to become obsolete. We aren't just talking about a new camera release. We're talking about a seismic shift in how we capture reality. The Nikon Z9 was the disruption the industry didn't see coming, a camera that boldly eliminated the mechanical shutter and declared a new era of speed. But time moves fast, and technology moves faster. Rumors are no longer just whispers in the dark corners of forums. They're becoming a deafening roar. We're standing on the precipice of the next giant leap. The Nikon Z9 II, the 2026 flagship, is not just an update. It is the answer to a question we haven't even fully asked yet. If you're holding onto your current gear, or if you're thinking about switching systems, you need to stop everything and listen, because what Nikon is cooking behind closed doors in Tokyo is going to shatter the ceiling of what is physically possible with a sensor. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the heart of the beast. The original Z9 proved that stacked sensors were the future, but the Z9 II is rumored to introduce a proprietary global shutter technology that doesn't just match the competition, but humiliates it. We are looking at the potential for a 60-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor that reads light differently than anything before it. Why does this matter to you? Because the concept of rolling shutter, that bending of golf clubs or warping of train cars, will be erased from history. But unlike the competitors who sacrifice dynamic range for speed, the leaked specs suggest Nikon has cracked the code, preserving the deep, rich 14-bit distinct colors Nikon is famous for, while freezing time at speeds that sound like science fiction. We're talking about potential burst rates that don't just capture the moment, but capture the spaces between the moments, ensuring that no matter how fast the athlete, the bird, or the car is moving, you own that frame with absolute clarity. But speed is nothing without intelligence. The USA market demands autofocus that works like a human brain, and the Z9 II is reportedly integrating a dedicated AI processing unit that makes the current generation look like it's thinking in slow motion. Imagine a focus system that doesn't just track an eye, but predicts where the subject will be 3 seconds from now based on skeletal structure analysis. This isn't just about locking on. It is about anticipating reality. For the wildlife photographers out there trekking through Yellowstone, or the sports shooters on the sidelines of the Super Bowl, this means the camera is doing the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on composition and art. The speculation points to a deep learning AF that can identify subjects in near total darkness, locking onto a silhouette in -10 electron volts conditions. This is night vision territory. This is the difference between getting the shot of a lifetime and going home with a blurry memory. Now, we have to address the video capabilities because the line between photographer and cinematographer has vanished. The Z9 opened the door to 8K, but the Z9 II is expected to kick that door down and burn the frame. We are hearing whispers of 8K at 120 frames per second in RAW, internally, with no overheating. Let that sink in. Slow motion footage at a resolution that allows you to crop, stabilize, and reframe without losing an ounce of quality. This puts a cinema camera in your backpack. The thermal efficiency of the body is being redesigned to handle this massive data throughput, turning this camera into a workhorse for documentary filmmakers who need reliability in the scorching heat of the desert or the freezing tundra. The addition of waveform monitors, vector scopes, and perhaps even built-in EL zone tools would mean you no longer need an external monitor to judge your exposure perfectly. Ergonomics are often overlooked in spec sheets, but they are everything when you're shooting for 12 hours straight. Nikon has always been the king of the grip, but the Z9 II is expected to refine this further. A lighter, yet more durable magnesium alloy chassis, weather-sealed to a standard that would make a submarine jealous. The layout of the buttons is rumored to be fully customizable, with tactile feedback that works even when wearing thick winter gloves. And the electronic viewfinder, this is where the immersion happens. We are expecting a 9 million dot panel with a refresh rate of 240 Hz, offering a view of the world so real, so immediate, that you forget you are looking at a screen. It becomes an extension of your own eye, lag-free and brutally bright, capable of simulating an optical viewfinder's dynamic range, so you see exactly what your sensor sees. The connectivity is another frontier where the Z9 II aims to dominate. In a world where speed to market is everything, especially for news agencies and sports desks across America, the inclusion of 5G ultra-wideband integration directly into the body changes the workflow entirely. No more dongles, no more slow transfers. You shoot, and the image is on the editor's desk in New York instantly. This level of integration speaks to who this camera is for: the uncompromising professional who cannot afford a single second of delay. But even for the enthusiast, this technology trickles down, offering seamless cloud backups and firmware updates that keep the camera evolving long after you buy it. So what does this leave us? The Nikon Z9 II represents more than just a camera. It represents the pinnacle of optical and digital convergence. It is the bold statement that the mirrorless war is far from over, and Nikon intends to win it by force. If the leaks are true, if the specs hold up, we are looking at a machine that has no weakness. A camera that invites you to push your creative boundaries until they break. The question isn't whether you need the Z9 II. The question is, are you ready for the power it puts in your hands? As we move closer to 2026, the anticipation is palpable. Start saving, start planning, because when this beast is unleashed, it won't just capture the world. It will change how we see it forever.